Key point 8. Get directly into their hearts. Many people know you only by communicating through the phone or different messengers. Yet, they never get to see, smell, and enjoy being around you in an offline world. Let them know who you are, even when talking on the phone. Your personality, mine, and everyone's could be likened to a show, a theatrical performance. You want to make sure yours is a box office smash, not a flop. Leil Lowndes. Inspire people even over the phone. Talking gestures. Whenever you talk on the phone, imagine you are the star of a radio show. They can't see you, so you need to voice what would be nonverbal cues. Make sure they hear your smile, nods, or gestures. Turn them into sounds. Replace your gestures with talk, then boost the whole act by 30%. Sound like you're close by. Name shower. Address people by their first name to get their attention. Calling your listener's name equals the eye contact you might give in person. It will sound like you are flirting as you keep saying someone's name in person, but there's more distance between you on a call, so feel free to use their name once in a while. People engage in a conversation more when you say their name. Make them happy they called you. Oh wow, it's you. You should always be professional about your work calls, but also imply the warmth you have reserved for the caller. When you find out who you're speaking with, break into a smile that floods your face and shows in your voice. The listener will feel that you are especially happy to hear them. You can also breathe out gently as you break into a smile. Sneak past the gatekeeper. Sneaky screen. If your staff screens your incoming calls, tell them to greet the caller joyfully and ask for the caller's name. If they have identified themselves, have your staff repeat their name before putting the caller through to you. When your secretary informs them that you are unavailable, they won't take it close to the heart or even feel screened. Did you know? When calling someone's home, ask who you're speaking with and greet them. If you need to call someone's office frequently, get acquainted with the secretary. They are always the right people to influence the VIP's opinion of you.